sea. This way and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go. You'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. Ebb loved playing with her ball, but she wanted someone to throw it for her. What's that, Granny? That's Morgar, our local sea monster. It's not real, is it? No. Ebb. Oh well, she'd just have to play by herself. So there. Bird, Ebb, where are you? Come on, time to go, or we'll miss the tide. Ebb! We might still have enough time to get across the bay. Take this. Thanks, Gran, just in case. Oh. Bye, Gran. Bye. Don't forget to look for Morgar. You lose the ball again, Ebb. See? Ebb's ball's in the water. Careful. Whoops. Oh no, we're marooned. It's all your fault, Ebb. It'll be all right. Look, you can see our houseboat. Let's camp on the island. We'll collect sticks for a fire and make a shelter and use dry reeds for a bed. When the tide comes in, it's only a short ride home. Yeah! What's in Granny's basket? Hot chocolate, lovely. And sausages, and more food. Thank you, Granny. Ebb, it's warm over here. Ebb, you got your ball back. Come and eat. Have you seen Morgar, the sea monster? No, I think if there's a Morgar, it must be very shy. Come on, everyone. Let's go home. Can we come again, Ma? Yes, of course. It was really comfy. I loved watching the boats and listening to the birds and the waves. Ebb loved playing with her ball, especially when there was someone to throw it for her.